fancy seeing a secret waterfall and mystical castle ruins in the quieter southern end of Snowdonia National Park, stick around and we'll see what it's all about. Six miles down this valley road to Llywelyn, a lovely looking valley. Stopped at a campsite down here in the past. But this is a valley that is on the Mac Loop. If you've ever heard of the Mac Loop, it's where the fighter jets from RAF Valley come screaming down this valley. Do a couple of laps around Snowdonia National Park, and it's quite something when you see them screaming overhead. So check that out online, the Mac Loop, M-A-C-H. Beautiful location, as you can see. Just driven through the small village of Llywelyn, about 1.5 miles, 2 miles further on. Now I'm at the pay display car park for the Dolgoch Waterfalls, which I'm assuming I head that way by the sounds of things. So it's only £2 pay display. That covers you about 4 hours, so let's get going to the falls. Just turned the corner, there's a lovely little bridge already. Heading up this initial path. Lovely viaduct there straight away. What a spectacular little waterfall. A right plunge pool. They get some wild swimmers in there in the summer. That is magic. Looks like the path's heading up to the top of it, so just take these steps, go and have a look from the top. Quite steep sided here, so you have to be careful. It's a fallen tree on the path as well. Heading along this fence line, out on the outbound leg of the walk by the looks of it. Turn at the top, head back down. Like a massive rucksack with a short walk. It's got a drone case in there. Just cross the bridge, turn it back, heading back down towards the car park area. The views have opened up again, lovely. The sun on those hills over there, spectacular. Look what I've just found in my pocket. Pay and display ticket. I paid, I didn't display. What a bozo. With the new boots to rinse off, put all that slop. It seems they're actually waterproof. I'm gonna head left before I head back. Have a look at this fall from this side of the river. Amazing. Just next to the waterfall. Got a cave as well. Hi. Hi. This is a boat we torch now. unfortunately gated off. So that's it. We're back to the first bridge and the viaduct. And that's the end of the Dolgop Falls secret waterfall. That's the waterfalls done now. That didn't disappoint. Back at the car park. Lovely view, so we'll head back up the valley towards Abergynolwyn. We'll do a second walk, which is the Castle Y Bere Castle Ruins walk. So looking forward to that. We walked to today from Abergynolwyn. We just parked outside the railway pub. I was going to use the public car park, but it's full up. So let's get going. This is the start of the Castle Y Bere walk. This is the little bridge in the village of Abergynolwyn. We're just going to do it right next to this children's play area. Head on up. I'm pretty sure that the castle ruins are the other side of that mountain there. I think we're skirting around the back. Heading off in that direction where that couple are over there with the dog. Hope he's a friendly little dude. 2 minutes into the walk and look at this view already. What's a valley? Absolutely stunning around here. I thought the path was heading steep up that hillside. Fortunately for me, it's heading down along the river. And I'm assuming there's a bridge because we need to cross it, we need to be on the hills on that side, so we'll be crossing the road a bit further down. Here's our little crossing and we're heading on up that lane. Let's have a drink and a chocolate bar first. Sunshine today is unreal. This valley's amazing. So over that way we've got Machynlleth. Straight ahead we've got Dolgelly. And over that way Barmouth. And right in the middle, this is the Cadair Idris range. And dropped in the middle of it is Castle Y Bere. So we've just come up that lane. There's the crag. There's the entrance. Llywelyn. East of his border. Cute little hut. Perfect if it was snowing or raining. Just entering the ruins now. Big thick walls. What a view. Big well right at the start. Doesn't look very deep. It's just some kind of water store. High life for Welsh royalty. If you're thinking about visiting Castle Y Bere, it's definitely worth a walk. There's barely a soul in this valley. Use magic. Could be worth a quick flight with the drone. I had to look around, I can't see any no drones signs, so just send it up. It's more about the valley really. Castle Y Bere done. What a fantastic castle ruins that was. Now the walk back into Llywelyn, where my van is parked. We've just been told by a couple of people I met in the ruins there that the pub is shut, so that is a shame. Coming back into the village now. Little river. Pulled up at the Tanny Cornwall Hotel. Time for a pint, I think. Just been for a non-alcoholic Guinness at the pub down the road. Pulled into the campsite, Dol Enion campsite. Not a soul here. Lovely lady runs the site. Well, she owns it. Camper van's parked up. We'll get the awning out later. We're on the hard standing, so hopefully get a fire pit right next to a lovely river. And Cadair Idris. And the Minford path goes up these hills, up onto the mountain tops, and that's Cadair Idris further over there. That building in the distance is the campsite. This is the junction. It's just left here, and then the Gwesti Minford Hotel is just on the left. Lovely couple of pints in the pub. Nice chat with the owner. Went in and it was daylight, come out it's pitch black. It's only 6 o'clock, but that's winter daylight hours for you. As you can tell, I love peppers and chestnut mushrooms. That's it, another weekend done. Heading home now. Just had a breakfast in the cafe in Llywelyn. Absolutely delicious, so I recommend that cafe if you ever head down to southern Snowdonia. Certainly worth a visit. The scenery around here, the lakes, the mountains, absolutely stunning. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel, as it will really help me out. Brand new channel. Also click on the thumbs up emoji if you've enjoyed it, along with the notification bell. That way you'll get a notification next time we upload a video. Leave a comment. Comments are always appreciated. And be kind, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, bye.